Hello everyone, I am Manish Kumaut and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create an line chart in Power BI. So, here you can see that this is the line chart. Okay, so I am clicking on it. Okay, this is our line chart that we are going to create. So, I am going to create profit on the basis of city. So city I'm taking on x-axis and profit, okay, sum of profit I am taking on y-axis. This is the sum of profit. Okay, so our simply line chart is created, but here see format your visual. We can edit our visual. So let's see how. So x-axis on values, okay, this is our fonts like that. If we want to change the font style, and we can increase font weight also. So here you can see like it increased, okay, font weight, and you can also do other editings also in it. Okay, title, okay, here is the title. Do you want to see show the title or not? So I am doing off it. Okay, so similarly we will do little settings for y-axis. So for the values I am taking this font style, and I am increasing the font weight. Okay, so you can see that the font weight is increased, and I am also turning off the title. Okay, so these were the settings of the x-axis and y-axis that we did. Now it's looking more clear. Now I want to remove these grid lines. So click on grid lines and just click on off. Okay, so the grid lines removed. Okay, now this is one more interesting setting, that is the zoom slider. Okay, by using it you can zoom the graph. Okay, like it. Okay, so you can zoom the graph. Okay, so I am turning off it. Now come on the line properties. Okay, okay, so here you can individually apply for any specific city. Okay, here is the line style, like solid, like dashed, dotted, and okay, custom. Okay, so I am doing it solid, and here you can change the join type like bevel. Okay, you can build meter and round. I am keeping it. Okay, here from here you can increase the width of line, like here you can increase the width of line, and you can change the color, like I am doing it black. Oh wow, it's looking amazing. Now you can also turn on the shaded area, so it will show the shaded area. Okay, markers, what, let's see these markers. Okay, first of all I'm turning off it. Okay, so markers are basically the dots, but we already increased the width too much, so I am doing it. Okay, now you can see the markers. Okay, now you can see markers. Okay, from here you can also increase their size also, and here is the color. I'm keeping it blue, or should I do the something else? Red is okay. Here is the border. If you want to on, then you can do it blue. Okay, so the border of these markers get changed. I'm turning off it right now. Now you can also turn on the data labels, so it's representing the data labels also. And okay, come on the values section. Okay, there's some profit. Okay, some of profit. Okay, you can, okay, so values, we want to increase the, okay, font size, so the font size get increased. Okay, and I want to do them bold. Okay, now it's looking more clear. Okay, so here in this way you can do lot of the settings here. But let's see the series label. So this is the series label, like this is the sum of profit. Okay, I'm turning off it now. This is okay. So this is all about the line chart, and we saw the different properties or settings that we can do with the line chart to make it more attractive and more beautiful, more amazing. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Power BI videos. Thank you.